So children, in this lecture I am going to tell you about the various peaks over here are that is K2, Kanchenjunga, Nanga Parvat and the Anayamudi. Okay, so first of all we are going to plot K2. Where is K2? The easiest way I would like to explain you that in the previous chapter I was telling about the Karakoram range. As you know that Karakoram range is in the Jammu and Kashmir and at the tip of the Jammu and Kashmir. So at the end of this Jammu and Kashmir, this is K2. Western side of this Karakoram range, we have K2 over here. This is K2. Now this K2 is in Pakistan occupied Kashmir, so it doesn't belong to India. Internationally it has not been recognized that it is a part of India because it just come in Pakistan occupied Kashmir. Now next we are going to locate is Kanchenjunga. Kanchenjunga, children, you know this is Sikkim over here. Okay, ये Sikkim है. This is Sikkim over here. We are having this Kanchenjunga in Sikkim. Okay, we have Kanchenjunga over here. This is Kanchenjunga. Kanchan, I am writing over here Kanchan. So this is Kanchenjunga and it's in Sikkim. Once again it is in Sikkim. Okay, Kanchenjunga is in Sikkim. Learn it properly. And after that comes Nanga Parvat. Now I told you that just parallel to this Karakoram range there is one more range, that is the Zaskar range. This is Zaskar range. In the previous video I showed you. Now at the western side towards the tip of this Zaskar range we have Nanga Parvat over here. Okay, this is Nanga Parvat and I have written over here. This is Nanga Parvat. Zaskar रेंज के टिप पे ननगा पर्वत है वेस्टर्न साइड में. काराकोरम रेंज के टिप पे आपका K2 है. उसके बाद सिक्किम में आपका कंचनजंगा है. After that we have the last one, that is the Anayamudi. Anayamudi, you know that I was telling you that Anayamudi, it comes in the Western Ghats and it is the highest hill over here. This is Anayamudi, children. This is Anayamudi. A I am writing over here. Okay. This is Anayamudi. Is it clear? So you are supposed to learn these 4 mountain peaks. Is it clear? Now we'll come to the plateaus. In plateaus, now I'm going to change the color over here. Plateau, we are going to take little bit of yellow color. In plateau, we are supposed to mark this Chota Nagpur plateau. I told you that Vindhya ranges are over here. These are Vindhya ranges. This is Aravali range. Okay. Is it clear? So Chota Nagpur plateau. First of all, I will tell you Chota Nagpur plateau. Chota Nagpur plateau, it comes towards the eastern side of the central highland. This is Chota Nagpur plateau. Is it clear? CH means Chota Nagpur plateau. Okay. Next comes the Malwa plateau. Malwa plateau, you know Aravali ranges are over here. अरावली रेंजेस के इधर जो है आपका मालवा प्लेटो आता है. दिस इज मालवा प्लेटो. एम आई एम राइटिंग ओवर हियर इन बिटवीन द विंध्य रेंजेस एंड द अरावली रेंजेस. दिस कम्स द मालवा प्लेटो. इज इट क्लियर? एंड ये आपका डाउन वाला डेक्कन प्लेटो. फिर से याद कर लेना, दिस इज डेक्कन प्लेटो. ये सेंट्रल हाईलैंड है. सेंट्रल हाईलैंड में इधर मालवा प्लेटो है, इधर छोटा नागपुर प्लेटो है. उसके बाद जो है आपके इधर जो है एक्सटेंशन पे भी आपके प्लेटोज हैं. उसके बाद नाउ वी विल कम टू द desert region. I told you that Aravali ranges ke towards the western side we are having desert region over here in Rajasthan. This is the desert region over here. Okay, which desert is there? You should know very well. This is the Thar desert. This is desert. D I am writing over here, desert. Okay, now after that we'll come to the Western Ghats. Western Ghat, again I am going to change the color. Let me make it blue now. This is Western Ghats. ओके ये वेस्टर्न घाट्स है. ये कंटिन्यूस रेंज है वेस्टर्न घाट्स. और इसके इधर क्या है? कोस्टल प्लेन. कोस्टल प्लेन के इधर क्या है? सी है. वंस अगेन लेट मी शो यू. दिस इज वेस्टर्न घाट और वेस्टर्न घाट के में सबसे हाईएस्ट पीक क्या है? अनायमुडी है. ओके उसके बाद दिस वी आर हैविंग एन ओवर हियर वी आर हैविंग एन ईस्टर्न घाट. इट इज़ अ ब्रोकन वन. ओके दिस वन इज ईस्टर्न घाट. ये वेस्टर्न घाट है. WEST एंड वेस्टर्न घाट. दिस इज ईस्टर्न घाट. ओके after that we are having islands. Here we are having, you can a little portion of this is shown over here. This is Andaman and Nicobar Island. Okay, let me change the color. It's not going to be clear. Pink color will make. So this is Andaman and Nicobar Island, which is in the Bay of Bengal. Okay, and here we are having Lakshadweep Island. Lakshadweep Island is in Arabian Sea and Andaman and Nicobar Island is in the Bay of Bengal. So only this much is going to come for your exams. So children, please plot all these places on your map properly and paste it in your notes copy and learn it properly. That's much for today. So enjoy your maps work, skill work today, and refresh yourself with the next chapter which I'm going to start from tomorrow, and complete your notes also.